Ayan, so hello everyone. So now I would like to make some soup. So corn soup. Of course, I need to put some warm water. 4 cups, okay? 2, 3, and 4. And of course, I'm using the ready-made soup. Ayan. So Maggi cream of chicken soup. Okay, ang gagawin lang natin dyan, buhis natin. Ayan. Buhis lang natin siya. Ayan. Buhis lang natin ang ating mixture ng corn soup. Okay? And of course, mix well lang natin yan hanggang mag-dissolve yung ating mixture ng ating soup. Yan. Ayan. Ayan. So, dissolve na siya. Na-dissolve na natin. Ayan. Gagawin natin dyan is lalagyan na natin ng apoy. Ayan. So, ano tayo? So, pakukuluin lang natin yan hanggang sa maging soup na siya. And then, it's up to you if you want to add some corn. Ayan. So, for me, I need to add some corn. Okay? Ayan. So, it's boiling already. Ayan. So, of course, I have this kind of corn. This, like this. Just mix it. So, lagyan lang natin siya ng black pepper. Ayan. Lagyan lang natin ng black pepper to taste. Then, mix lang natin. And this is it. It's ready to serve. Ayan. It's ready to serve na sa ating bowl. Ayan. So, it's ready. Ayan. So, we have a creamy corn soup. Okay. Ayan, ating creamy corn soup. Okay.